Hello everyone. Today I have a 1999 Chevrolet heavy-duty 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive Suburban LT package. This Suburban is 100% original, rust-free, runs very good, drives good. Very nice. It's got a few little dings here and there. It's got the 7.4 454 automatic, pretty much loaded out. Tires, very nice shape. Nice, clean metal. Underside, rust-free. There's 2 brand new seat covers in the back that I'll show you. It's got 219,000 miles. Runs very nice. Nice, clean engine compartment. Got a few dings on that door. There's the build codes for you. Two brand new seat covers for the front seats. It's got a dent on the back bumper. So if you're looking for a pretty nice Suburban, heavy duty 3/4 ton, 4-wheel drive, this may be it. This one runs good, drives good. Got a few little dings here and there. No, we do not take trades. No, we do not finance. No, you cannot test drive it. If you want to hear it run, you're going to show up with a trailer. So, there we go. Thanks for watching.